Meaning of inaudibly.
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 Inaudibly. The term inaudibly refers to something that cannot be heard, either because it is too quiet or because the listener is too far away from the sound source. When an individual speaks inaudibly, their words are barely audible or not audible at all. This can be due to various reasons such as speaking in a hushed tone or being too far away from the listener. In summary, when something is described as inaudible or inaudibly, it means that it cannot be heard by the listener or is barely audible.